Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can delete the pictures on your photo albums on Mobile Legend. So if you select your profile here and you can see there's a picture here, you're just going to either tap on the picture or go to the album section of the game. Select the three dots and then just press delete. Deleting a picture will reset the related likes and comments of it, but it won't affect your charisma. Please note that the upload CD of the slot will not be reset in the process, and you will not be able to upload another picture in the slot before the CD timer runs out. Select OK, and as you can see, if I tap on it again, upload cooling down remaining time 6 days, so like a week of cooling time before you are able to upload another picture. But if you have more slots, I used 2 of the slots to make this tutorial because I messed up the one before. But you're just going to do that. If you want to upload, you can again purchase another slot or tap here. Well, I only have 2 slots, but if you want to purchase the other slots, like CD slots to upload the picture, you can absolutely do that. Why am I like not talking properly? I don't know. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.